What's up YouTube? We got another video coming. Got ourselves a coffee cup, batwing, and the stem that goes on the carrot. Right there. So there's that. And normally in the blue bag, you get the heads and the bodies and all that stuff. So in the blue bag, see what we got this time. We have like a karate torso. Ourselves like a Man in Black kind of deal. Some white and gray pants there. Some short legs there. And a green top there. Double printed head there with two different varieties there. That one. And this one seems just to be solid white, or it's kind of like a cream color. One-sided head on that one. And then this character here. Kind of looks like some off of Sesame Street to me. And that's it for that. It's a short little video. That's what we get for October's. And then as you can see, I got some other stuff on the table that I normally don't have. I have 3 videos out for those minifigs. And then you can kind of catch this book here to the left that I bought from Barnes & Noble. I posted that on my Instagram. And it's got an orange spaceman. So one of those things you can get from that. I saw this online from Jenga Bricks. I remember seeing it a while ago, and then he said it was available, so I went to my local Barnes & Noble, and that was the last one I seen. So I got that one. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you on the next one.